Hey guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. This video is a Dollar Tree haul. Stay tuned. So the first item I found, I was so excited. It is not a new item to the Dollar Tree, but I just so happened to be reorganizing the bathroom and clearing the countertop. The countertop used to be so full. So I'm trying a new system where the stuff is in the drawers, and the only things on the countertop will be a soap dispenser, some milk glass to hold some Q-tips, and also some lavender. The area will likely get a bit wet because the soap dispenser is there, but this is not metal, so I know for sure it's not going to rust, and it looks pretty easy to clean with just some soap and water. Now, I did have kind of a tough time finding microfiber cloths. I was looking for the big kind that I've bought before. I've shown it before in my cleaning bucket hack. So I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna give the microfiber washcloths a try that you can find in the bath section. I'm sure these work just fine. They're just smaller. And what I do recommend though is to not dry these. This says to tumble dry low. I don't like to put these in the dryer just because they kind of attract the lint and stuff. And then I also bought a microfiber wash mitt. There could be so many uses for this. You guys, I know these can be kind of cheesy, but who doesn't need some cheering up in their life right now, especially with everything going on with the coronavirus? I am so looking forward to spring, and spring is already my favorite season. I have found when I have these in the garden, these are so great for deterring rabbits and bunnies from eating my flowers and vegetable plants. Also, I bought a ton of the dried strawberries. My daughter is very limited as to what she can eat, and now she is totally about these. And I also am gonna give her the apple slices to try. Bought some cereal for my husband. This is the 20% more free size for me, some banana chips, and I already dug into this. This is my go-to gum, the double mint gum. If you're finding that it's kind of hard to breathe with your mask on for whatever reason, as long as it's not something serious, I would recommend chewing some gum. It kind of helps me breathe better somehow, maybe take a deep breath. And my other go-to at the cash register are the Lifesavers mints in wintergreen. This is my favorite flavor of the Gatorade. It's the Glacier Cherry. And I really like these bottles because we will reuse these. I know you really shouldn't reuse these forever, but a few times, you know, you fill it with some water or some Gatorade powder and water, and these work out great. We've been working out a lot more with the Peloton, and unlike my regular water bottle, these are narrow enough to fit the narrow Peloton holders. A couple more things for the Peloton room. This is a shopping cart handle wrap, and I did not open this in store, so I'm gonna try and see what it looks like right now. They also came in black and red, and I think blue. This one is purple. And I have a feeling this could be used for a lot more things other than a grocery cart. I think actually that will fit really well. It also has a carrying bag as well. Also for the room, I bought these over-the-door hangers. I personally have these everywhere in my house. I think I have maybe 5 of them. So I know they work really well. Also bought a few beauty staples. I have hauled this multiple times. I'm sure you guys are sick of me showing this, but this is the LA Colors lipstick in Mauve Glaze. And my favorite blush is the Toast. And I also purchased their auto eyeliner because my eyes are particularly sensitive. They get a bit dry, and a lot of eyeliner brands actually can cause my contacts to get more smudgy. My typical go-to is the L'Oreal Auto Eyeliner, but just for regular days where I'm mostly at home, these are great. This works really great for my daughter's hair. This is the Salon Selectives Instant Repair Leave-In Conditioner. It seems to really help with hydrating and calming down the frizz. Also, for some reason, I've had a really hard time finding saline nasal spray in my Dollar Tree. We particularly like to use this during allergy season. Just loving the Scotch Brite sponges. The non-scratch kind, we'll be putting this in the kitchen. The Lime Away Toilet Bowl Cleaner. The Bar Keeper's Friend Cleanser. Also, I will be painting my backsplash. So I bought these heavy-duty scouring pads. This is a value pack of 5, so keep an eye out for that. And another value pack of the Brillo Estracel sponges. This was new, I think, to my Dollar Tree. So let me know if you have tried these, if these are any good. These are the Room Mists by Wizard. And the reason I was interested in these is because it looks like it doesn't contain as much toxins as the typical air freshener. My Dollar Tree had 2 kinds, the Morning Mist and the Hawaiian Retreat. Bought a spray bottle. I'm really looking for the stainless steel bottles that they used to have. They used to have those in the beauty section. Hopefully they'll come out with them again. Maybe they'll be in the gardening section. I've had many spray bottles break from the Dollar Tree, so I only bought one of this particular kind. We'll see how well it works. All right, and last item. I have been eyeing these online for a long time. And as you probably know, this is the handle for brooms and microfiber cloths and mops and stuff. They have all sorts of things that you could put at the end of this. Let me make sure I'm not hitting a lamp. And what you do is you can interchange this out. I love this idea of taking up less space with cleaning supplies. So I'm gonna give this a try. So that is it for this Dollar Tree haul. Let me know, as always, what goodies you have been finding. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care.